Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 1, today I am going to take your English literature class. And our today's topic is Unit 1, and we will do word meaning and synonym antonym also from Unit 1. And the name of this unit is The Gift. Okay, let's start our class, and I hope all of you have this book, The New Success with Buzzwords. So this is our literature book. Okay, we will follow this one. So all of you take your book and go to page number 1, this one. So in your book it's very colorful, and I'm using here the photocopied one. Okay, now look, The Gift. In the first page there is a warm up. That means if you want, if there's a birthday, someone around you, how will you wish them, and or what you will do? How do you wish people on their birthday? Step 1, say happy birthday. Then second step, give them a smile and a hug. Third step, give them flowers. Fourth, make a card for them. And number 5th, that's the last one, give them a gift. So this is the warm up. So if you if there's a birthday, you will do those things. You can follow this one. Now we will go to our main unit. That means a story about a little girl named Champa. So this is Champa. It is her mother's birthday today. Now look, this girl is Champa, and today is her mother's birthday. What can I give mother? Now Champa is thinking what she can give to her mother as a birthday gift. She looks around the village. Here is Dina Chachi. She is milking her cow. Champa, here's some fresh milk for you. Thank you, Chachi. Champa puts the milk in her basket. So now there is Dina Chachi, and Dina Chachi gave Champa some fresh milk, and now Champa puts the milk in her basket. So she collected one item for her mother. Now we will go to next page, page number 3. Here is Lal, the farmer. He says Champa, "Hello Champa, here are some eggs for you." "Thank you." Champa puts the eggs in her basket. So there is a farmer named Lal, and he gave Champa some eggs, and Champa puts the eggs in her basket. Riaz is Champa's best friend. Now look, this boy is Riaz, and he is Champa's best friend, and he is collecting mangoes. "Here are 4 mangoes for you." "Thank you." Champa puts the mangoes in her basket. So Champa puts the mangoes in her basket also. So there are 3 items in her basket now: milk, eggs and mangoes. Now we will go to next page, that means page number 4, and this is the last page. Champa is near a field. The field is full of flowers. "Let me pick some pink and yellow flowers." Champa ties the flowers with a ribbon. She puts the flowers in the basket. So Champa collected yellow and pink flowers, and then he tied the flowers with a ribbon, and then she puts the flowers in her basket. Now there are 4 items in her basket. Now look at this basket. It's very beautiful. So you can see your book is very colorful and looks very much beautiful. Oh look, Champa's basket is full. It has flowers, fruits, eggs and some milk. Champa is very happy. She runs home to her mother. So now Champa is very happy because her basket is full with many things, and she wanted to give it to her mother. Champa gives the basket to her mother. "Happy birthday, mother." Now Champa wishes her mother happy birthday with gifts. So all of you can follow Champa whenever there is a birthday of your mother or father. You can collect some flowers, or you can make a card for your mother or father, and you can give it to your father or mother or your parents to wish them happy birthday. Okay, so now we will go to our next session, that means word meaning and synonym antonym. So Unit 1, from Unit 1 we will learn 5 word meaning, and all of you will do those 5 word meaning as your homework, only word meaning. Okay, the first one, basket, a container with handle. Basket, a container with handle. Tie, to form a knot. Tie, to form a knot. Home, a place of residence. Home, a place of residence. Field, number D, field, an open area of land. Number D, field, an open area of land. Number E, wish, to want something. Number E, wish, to want something. So dear students, there are 5 word meaning. All of you can take a screenshot and you will learn it and you will write it down in your HW copy as your homework. This is HW number 1. Now we will go to synonym antonym from Unit 1. So at first you will write the word in one row and then synonym and then antonym. The first word, happy. The synonym of happy is glad and antonym of happy is sad. So happy, glad, sad. Now the word is give and the synonym is offer, the antonym is take. The word is give, synonym is offer and the antonym is take. Now fresh and the synonym is pure and antonym is stale. The word is fresh and the synonym is pure and antonym is stale. Now the word is near and synonym is close and antonym is far. The word is near, synonym is close and antonym is far. Now the word is smile, a synonym is green and antonym is frown. Smile, green, frown. Synonym means the similar meaning. That means these words have similar meaning. And antonym means the opposite meaning. Those words have opposite meaning from these 2 words. So all of you will learn word meaning, synonym and antonym, and you will do HW number 1, Unit 1 word meaning. That means you will just write the word meaning from Unit 1 as your homework copy. Okay. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework in your English literature homework copy and you will submit it on every Saturday in the school library. So dear student, all of you will listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.